What's up, YouTube? I know this is a little bit of a different setting, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through this unboxing, and I also want to have a discussion based on this Pixel 3. So first off, thanks to Google for not sending me this. but yo, so far I'm actually liking this. I did get a chance to go to Best Buy the other day, and for those of you following me on Instagram and Instagram TV, I actually did a hands-on impression at Best Buy. They had like a not pink color. This time I decided to go with the white. But yeah, with this this whole unboxing, big ups to Google for that unboxing, because now they actually have a sticker. Well, it's like a little pull tab. So now you no longer need to have your you no longer need to have your O.J. Simpson gloves on, so you won't try to kill yourself using your unboxing knives. I've seen a lot of you other YouTubers got these crazy unboxing knives. But yeah, it was a real simple unboxing. I didn't even need a knife at all. I just pulled the stickers off, and then from there you just lift the hood off, and you get the phone just right there in front of you. So once I took the phone out, unfortunately I'm not able to, I don't want to go ahead and throw the sound there, the audio of me like unwrapping the phone, because it was downstairs. It was in a little cafeteria downstairs, a little cafe, and they got TV and a lot of noise, and so you're not gonna have that clear, crisp audio sound of just like pulling the tab off the phone. So but yeah, after you got that off, apparently you're left with the rest of the extra stuff. This year they did give you the Pixel Buds, not the wireless Pixel Buds, but you get USB-C ones, and I haven't had a chance to actually listen to those, but I wasn't too kind on my comparison between those and the Bose headphones or whatever. Last year they just did not work out for me, so I'll probably give it a shot this year and see how that goes. Other than that, inside the box you do get the charging brick, and you get the USB-C cord, and you also have the transfer little transfer port. So if you've got an iPhone or any other phone, you can transfer your files, and you can just go ahead and make it a smoother transition to move to this Pixel. So now that unboxing is out of the way, let's just go ahead and actually just talk about the phone and Google's direction as far as how they actually want to go with this whole Pixel project. Because from what I understand, if this Pixel doesn't do well, I think they only have one more Pixel left. Rumors are saying that they might actually just go ahead and the whole thing. So honestly, last year's Pixel for me was it was a Titanic sinking ship that I happened to jump off early. I didn't have the build quality problem some people had. Some people had issues with the screen burn-in. There were so many production issues, so many quality concerns with that Pixel 2 that I figured that this year was just basically going to be a revision of the Pixel 2 XL. And honestly, this so far is much improved. The actual screen quality looks good. Like, just looking at it here, I don't have any issues with you know, the whole blue shifting thing that was present on the 2XL. That looks good. So far, even the speakers, from what I've heard, they actually sound better than the Pixel 2 XL, and honestly better than a good number of other phones too as well. I've taken a few selfies. I'll have that, you know, I'll have it dubbed over here. Selfies look pretty good. I know there was one impressive selfie that I actually took at Best Buy. I was just like, wow. My first selfie here today just wasn't as impressive. Like, the edge detection was off, because I'm actually wearing these gamer glasses, these blue light glasses or whatever, and it kind of blurred off that. But overall, like, the camera, I'm gonna say this year, the camera is probably, it doesn't even have to prove itself. Like, the front facing selfie is The cameras have been everything that the YouTubers have been talking about, from especially the group selfie. Whenever I do get a chance to take some of that, I'm probably just going to do a all-around camera review on this one, and I'm also going to probably do some camera comparisons. I know I'm behind on some of my phones, but we're going to see how all of this stuff ties in. I'm going to do a whole bunch of comparisons to the Pixel. But yeah, overall, camera so far is pretty good. I don't think it really has to prove itself. I think what we've seen so far is pretty amazing with the camera. The build quality, I do like the way this thing feels in the hand. Like, it's all glass this year. Last year they did the whole metal and glass combination, and that's one of the things that I used to wonder, why did Google not just go ahead and do an all glass phone? Because that's what was really what was holding them back from making a wireless charging phone. So now you have that capability to charge your phone, and then also now that they released the Pixel stand, which I will be getting my hands on one of those. Google sent me a $50 voucher, because at first I wasn't going to get the Pixel stand, but then they're like, okay, we'll send you a $50 voucher for buying this, so I'm going to go ahead and get that too. So yeah, with that stand, I mean, it gives you some more functionality while it's charging, but at least now that they do have wireless charging, it is fast wireless charging, so we'll see how long that takes. But overall, I'm looking forward to checking out this phone, seeing what it's capable of. So far, I haven't seen any lag. Once again, the fingerprint display is still good. I'm going to say a couple things. I know there was a disappointment with the whole 4K 60 frames per second. It may support that. I believe Jay Will said they're going to be supporting that, eventually with a software update. And then number two, of course, no facial recognition. You have to use your fingerprint, which may or may not turn some people off, because nowadays every flagship, especially in the same price range, after tax, this thing came to be like $960 shipped to me. But other phones that have this, facial recognition, the Samsung Note 9 has facial recognition. Even the OnePlus 6 has facial recognition. HTC this year with the U12 Plus had facial recognition. No facial recognition here. I don't know if it's something that they could probably do in software just to mimic it and get a faux a faux facial recognition system like the OnePlus has, where it just reads your face real quick, but it's not secure. I don't know if it's something that Google can implement, but as far as right now, it is kind of a setback a little bit, but that's okay. You do have always on-screen display now, which honestly, that was in the last one, in the Pixel 2 XL. You also have the feature that you use that would actually identify music playing in the background, and it'll show you on your screen. So you still have some of those features that carried over from the Pixel 2 XL over to the Pixel 3. Some people are mad about the 4 gigs of RAM. Why not 6 or 8 like some of the competitors? We're going to see how well that actually holds up, because some people said the Pixel 2 XL was laggy. But those are, some of my qualms. I just want to see how long this thing holds up. I normally Google phones have been some of the best performing phones over time, but people were saying the Pixel 2 XL was slowing down. So with that, I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about this Pixel 3 XL. And stay tuned for more coverage on my channel here, because it's kind of interesting. People were like really hating on this phone a lot before it came out. They were talking about the notch. So I know that's going to be one question. Does this notch bother me? I'm seeing that I've been using a couple different notch phones. I've still got my iPhone 10 right here. So, that's got a notch. I've still got my OnePlus 6. It's got a notch. I'm not feeling any more aggravated about the notch, even though this notch is bigger. It's bigger than every other notch phone this year. But it is what it is. It's a notch. Would I prefer to have it? No, of course not. But for right now, it's kind of what we got. Did I decide to turn it off? I haven't turned off the notch yet. I'm just going to kind of fill it out, because, like I said, I've been using other notch phones, no issues. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up this video. And I'll be following up in the next couple of days with battery life, things like that, performance. We'll see. But stay tuned to the channel, and I will definitely keep you guys posted. And also, this is your first time here, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, say what's up. I'm definitely down for any conversations in the comment section. So, but yeah, stay tuned to the channel for more, and also follow me on social media, Instagram, Instagram TV, also Twitter. Yeah, Twitter. My Twitter handle, Instagram handle is rakamatech, so you can follow me there. Take care. Peace.